I hope you like wind noises. That's all this is going to be. A bunch of wind noises. Sacrifice video quality for it. We'll sacrifice video quality for anything, honestly. We'll sacrifice video quality for video quality. They'll just remove 200%. Because fuck you. Weird. BitConnect.
Oh, here. Hey guys, let's take our clothes off.
Oh my. All right, Yancy, this is your opportunity for a promo. Yeah, make an ad.
Sell Uncle Yunkel Productions.
We don't have any merchandise.
So, well, sell the.
Hold on. You gotta wear the microphone.
Where am I speaking?
You're wearing. Just talk.
Oh,
You're wearing the mic. You can just talk now.
So, if you really want to buy something, it's earwax. Eat the Uncle Yunkel Steak and Bake. The Uncle Yunkel Steak and Bake is brought to you by Grayscale Productions. Grayscale Productions, and it's top quality food. So much better than McDonald's and 10 times healthier. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the greatest decision of your life. Uncle Yunkel Burgers. Are you still reading me? If you buy your limited edition Uncle Yunkel burger today, then you can get a free Uncle Yunkel French fry. Buy 5 and you can get 5 fries. That's right, only at Uncle Yunkel Productions.